Hi everyone, this is Jared Education na kung saan nandito si Jared para magbigay ng edukasyon. Hi everyone, it's Jared Education and I am here to give you some information. Now, for our 8th day, I'm gonna teach you how to extract the square roots. Let's get started. Now, to begin with, let's start to our first example, which is x squared minus 16 is equals to 0. Now, kung alam niyo na kung paano mag-extract ng roots or paano mag-find ng x, which is nandun sa previous videos ko, kung makikita nyo, panoodin nyo na lang, ililipat mo ang number through equal sign, and then pagka nilipat mo kasi ang number sa equal sign will become different sign. So, kung negative 16 siya, magiging positive 16 siya. And then may iwan yung x squared. Now, para matanggal yung squared dyan at para mahanap mo yung x, all we gonna do is lagyan lang ng square root sila. Now, makakancel tong 2 and then yung radical sign and then x matitira. Then, ang square root ng 16 is 4. So, ang value ng x is 4. Let's do another example. Let's do the second example, which is x squared minus 36 is equals to 0. Ganun pa din, para makuha ang x is lipat niyo yung number sa equal sign, which became positive 36 because negative 36 siya. And then may iwan yung x squared. Para makuha ulit, lagyan ng radical sign, cancel, matitira yung x. And then x is equals to kung ano yung square root ng 36, which is ang square root ng 36 is 6. So that's our second x. For our third example, may kasama na yung x or may value na yung x. Our third example is 2x squared minus 50 is equals to 0. Again, ililipat mo ulit yung 50 dun sa equal sign, which changes its sign, will become positive 50. And then, may iwan yung 2x squared sa other side of the sign. Now, para makuha, i-divide both side ba siya dun sa katabi ng x squared, which is yung 2. So, divide both side by 2. Maka-cancel, since same lang naman sila ng value, and then matitira yung x squared. And then 50 divided by 2 is equals to 25. Then do the radical. Cancel both the radical and the squared. And then matitira yung x. And then ang square root ng 25 is 5. So that's our another value of x. And that's how you extract the roots. For watching this video, if you learned something, hit that notification bell to learn more and subscribe. Thank you. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. And if you learned something, hit that notification bell to learn more and then subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.